The name of the Whare Ngākau Nui, it's about having a big heart. Those who come here and those who will have good intentions in terms of how we take care of our mokopuna will need to have He Ngākau Nui. I think it's really, really important that we start with rangi and with papa. Ka whiti te ao marama. The beginning of our life journey. It's also important to bring about and understand the teachings of our tupuna.
But it's not exclusive in any way. It's for everybody, I think. And this is really important. It's really important in any iwi, but also in any ethnicity as well. It's designed for the more complex mokopuna we have in our care, and often some of the challenges they face, self-harm, for example, violence, sexual abuse, quite a myriad of high and complex needs that need to be accommodated for. The home will cater for 4 mokopuna. And they can come and go as they need. They will never be detained. This is their home. So if they want to go, they can go. So it's very different to a facility where they're detained, for example. But there is a place to pōwhiri, or there is a place to call. And we hope that that is a part of the way the home is run. Tikanga will be infused into the experience as well, but also into the way of life inside the home. The way the home is designed is with 4 bedrooms of essential core, and that allows for people to be within a space together so they're observable, but to also have a private space. So that's kind of the nuts and bolts. It's a very long, detailed story as to why, but I think connection to the whenua, connection to the people, and safety, homeliness, there'd be 4 things that have driven this design.